Welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we will learn the class 7th maths first chapter, that is integers. So we have learnt about whole numbers and integers in lower classes, that is class 6. So we know that integers are the numbers from integers include the negative numbers, that is -3, -2, -1, as well as it includes 0 and the positive numbers, that is +1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So all these numbers, that is the positive number 0 and the negative numbers, all these constitute the integers. So let us recall some of the things about integers. That is here these numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, are called as positive integers. Whereas these -1, -2, -3 are called as negative integers. Then 0 is an integer which is neutral. It doesn't have positive or negative sign. Then among these, -1 is the biggest negative integer and 1 is the smallest positive integer, or -1 is the greatest negative integer and 1 is the smallest positive integer. Then we have already learnt what is a number line. Here we can see a number line which is representing integers. So on a number line, the numbers which are to the right side of the 0 are all positive integers, and numbers which are on the left side of the 0 are all negative integers. So then let us see what is given here in this exercise, or let us recall what we have learned in the lower classes. So we know how to represent integers on a number line, and some integers are marked on the number line given below. So here some of the integers are marked. So can you write these marked integers in ascending order? So we have to write these integers in ascending order. So how it will be? The lowest or the smallest will be -5, then -1, and then number 3 will come. Here this is the ascending order of these integers. Then some points are marked with integers on the following number line. Write these integers in descending order. So the descending order of these integers will be 14, then 8, then 3, 0, -4, -9 and then -16. So here we can see. Let us learn some or recall some more characters. So when two integers of the same sign are added, the resultant integer will have the common sign. So when 2 and 2, now both these integers have common sign, that is plus. They are positive integers, so the resultant integer will have common sign, that is the answer will also have plus sign. Then another example is -2 plus -4. Now here also, when two integers of the same sign are added, the result will be resultant integer will also have the common sign. Here also -2 plus minus, it will become minus, so -2 and -4 will give us -6. Then the second one is, when two integers of opposite sign are added, then find the difference between their absolute values and put the sign of the number with larger absolute value to the difference so found. What it means is, here I have 4 plus -2. So what will be the answer here? So when two integers of opposite sign are added, so here we can see both the integers have opposite sign. This is plus and this is a negative integer. So we have to find the difference between two, and then we have to put the sign of the number with larger absolute value. So here 2 is greater or 4 is greater. So the larger absolute value is 4. So the answer will have plus sign. Then another example is -6 plus 2. So here what will happen? First we have to do the addition. So here the answer will be 4, and then we have to put the sign of the number with greater absolute value. So it will be -4. Then the next one is the product of two integers with the same sign is positive, and the product of two integers with different sign is negative, or opposite sign is negative. Now here we see 2 into 2, it will be 4. So here both the integers are positive, so we will have the sign of the answer also as positive. Then again -2 into -4. So what will happen? We have to multiply this first, and then the sign of the this minus will get cancelled, and here also we will get a positive answer. Then the product of two integers with opposite signs is always negative. Now if we do -2 multiplied by 6, it will be -12. So it will be always negative. Then let us do a simple exercise here. So a number line representing integers is given below, and -3 and -2 are marked at E and F respectively. So which integers are marked by B, D, H, J, M and O? So we have to find out which integers will be marked at all these alphabets. So since -3 is at E and -2 is at F, what will come here at G? So here it will be -1, here it will be 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly here it will be -4, -5, -6 and -7. So what are the alphabets that we are asked? The first one is B. So at B what do we have? B is -6. Then D is -4. H is 0. Then J is 2 and M is 5, and the last one O is 7. So this was a simple exercise where we had to find out the integers which were marked at these alphabets on the number line. Then The next question is arrange 7, minus 4, 4, 0 and minus 4 in ascending order, and then mark them on a number line to check your answers. So here which number will be the smallest? So first will be minus 5, then minus 4, then it will be 0, then 4 and then 7. So this is the ascending order of these integers. Now we have to mark them on a number line. So let us draw a number line. First we will mark a 0 at the middle. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. 5, 6 and then 7. Here on this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and then it will be minus 4 and minus 5. So our answer is correct. See, it is in the correct order. It is ascending order. Then we have to solve these. Use the sign and greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make these statements true. So let us see the first one. We have minus 8 plus minus 4 and minus 8 minus 4. So in these we have to solve these and then assign the signs greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make this statement correct. So let us try the first one. Here it is minus 8 plus minus, it will become minus 4. So minus 8 and minus 4 will be minus 12. Then here we have minus 8. This minus minus will become plus and 4. So minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4. So now on the number line, minus 12 will be greater or minus 4 will be greater. So minus 4 will be greater than minus 12. Then the next one is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19, and then we have 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So here what will happen? Minus 3 plus 7 and minus 19. So this minus 3 plus 7 will become plus 4 minus 19. It will be minus 15. So then the second side we have 15 minus 8. Here this will be plus and minus, so it will be minus, and then we'll have minus 15 minus 8, so we'll have positive 7 minus 9. So the answer will be minus 2. Plus 7 minus 9, it will be minus 2. Now on the number line, minus 15 will be greater or minus 2 will be greater. So minus 2 will be greater, so we have to put this sign over here. Then the third one, we have 23 minus 41 plus 11, and on the other side we have 23 minus 41 minus 11. So here what it will become is 23, 41 minus 41 plus 11, it will become minus 30, and then 30 minus 23 will be 7, and we have to put the sign of the greater number, so it will be minus 7. Then over here it will be 23 minus 41 minus 11. It will add up and it will be minus 52. So 52 minus 23 will be 29, and then we have to put the sign of the greater number, so it will be minus 29. Now which one will be greater? Minus 7 will be greater than minus 29. So we have to put this sign. So this was a simple exercise. Then another one that we will see is that, so in a mathematics quiz, the positive marks are given for correct answers. So for correct answers in an exam, positive marks are given. And for negative marks are given for wrong answers. So if Rina's score in 5 successive rounds were, so now if Rina's scores in 5 successive rounds were 30 minus 10, 20 minus 15 and 15. So this Rina has answered 5 rounds of some competitive exam, and her scores in all the respective rounds were 30 minus 10, 20 minus 15 and 15. So what was her total at the end? So we have to calculate the total marks that she got for all the 5 rounds. So here we see we have 30 minus 10. So what it will be? 20. Then we have plus 20. So then we have to add it. It will be 40 again. Then here we have minus 15 and plus 15. Both these will get cancelled out. So Rina has scored 40 marks in her exam in all the 5 rounds. So here another way that we can do this is, first we can add all the positive integers that we have. That is, the 30 plus 20 will get 50. Then all the negative integers, we have minus 15 and then minus 10. So we will get 40. So 10 and 40. So now minus 40 and plus 50 we have. Sorry, this is positive.